Are you looking for the best portable table saw in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best portable table saw that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, DeWalt Table Saw. The DeWalt DWE7480 is a great little saw for anyone who needs a powerful and portable option for their shop. It's easy to set up and take down, and the adjusting fence rails make it a breeze to get the perfect cut every time. With a 15-amp motor and 24.5 inches of rip capacity, this saw can handle anything you throw at it, from 4x8 plywood to OSB sheets. Plus, the onboard storage is a great way to keep your DeWalt site probe guarding components and push stick close at hand. And the metal roll cage ensures that this saw can withstand anything the Jobsite throws at it. At number 2, Rockwell Portable Tabletop Saw. This table saw is perfect for anyone who wants to take their woodworking to the next level. With its built-in carry handle, it's easy to transport from one job site to another or move around your workshop. The standard guard and riving knife system allow for precise rip, cross, scroll, and miter cuts, while the toolless blade change system makes it easy to use any brand of 4-inch T-shank blade. The 0 to 60 degrees miter cuts are perfect for a variety of woodworking projects, and the onboard accessory storage keeps everything organized and within reach. Plus, the safety switch prevents accidental starting and the vacuum port lets you hook up a shop vac for even easier cleanup. At number 3, SKIL Portable Jobsite Table Saw. The Ryobi 10-inch sliding miter saw is a powerful and precise tool that is perfect for a wide range of woodworking and carpentry projects. This saw features a rack and pinion fence that keeps the fence parallel to the blade for fast, smooth, and accurate cuts. An integrated folding stand provides portability and convenient storage, while the parallel blade alignment allows for micro-adjustment of the blade so that it is parallel to the rip fence and miter slot. The Ryobi 10-inch sliding miter saw also has a 4x4 cutting capacity and a 2 to 47 degrees bevel capacity, making it a versatile and powerful tool for a variety of projects. At number 4, Bosch Portable Table Saw. This powerful table saw has a 15-amp saw with 4.0 max HP and 3,650 RPM, making it perfect for rip cutting and cross-cutting of fine and rough materials. With dimensions of 32.5 inch deep x 27 LX 13H and a product weight of 94 pounds, this saw is also easily portable, thanks to the included lighter GTA 47W gravity rise wheeled stand. Plus, the soft start circuitry and constant response circuitry help to make this saw easy and safe to use, while the restart protection and smart guard system help to avoid accidental startup and provide protection while you're working. At number 5, Metabo HPT Table Saw. The DeWalt DW745 is a powerful and versatile table saw that is perfect for a variety of different cutting applications. The table saw has a powerful 15-amp motor that can tackle the toughest cutting jobs with ease. The table saw also has a large 28 3/4 inch by 22 inch working table that provides plenty of space for larger projects. The table saw also comes with an outfeed support that is 28 3/4 inches by 2 inches for easy and stable material support. The table saw also has a bevel of 0 degrees to 45 degrees for cuts ranging from 3 1/8 inches 0 degrees to 2 1/4 inches 45 degrees. The DeWalt DW745 is a great table saw for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile table saw. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.